Hi, I'm Nick and I'm here from Sunpak to show you a great new product, the Sunpak TravelMaster Pro. It's a tripod and monopod in one. There are other similar tripods out there that go from a tripod and monopod, but don't work as easy as the new TravelMaster Pro. Let me show you one of the similar models, which is the Me Photo. To go from a tripod to a monopod, we first have to remove the bottom cap, which does take some time. I'll throw it in my pocket, take the center column out. I have to support my camera in center column. Then I have to remove my leg assembly. Now that I have my leg assembly, what do I do with the two legs? For now, I'm going to prop it up against myself so no one falls or trips over it. Attach the center column to the leg. Now I have a monopod. Go back to being a tripod. Now I have to, again, remove my leg assembly from the center column, attach it to my other two legs by screwing it together, which isn't the most convenient thing to do. It's attached, put my center column into the chassis, put my cap back in, and there you go. I went from a tripod to monopod, monopod to tripod. Let me show you how easy and fast it is to go from a tripod to monopod with the Sunpak TravelMaster Pro. We release the center column lock, extend, lock, monopod. That was fast, under 5 seconds. Now I can go right back to being a tripod, back, lock, that fast, that simple, that easy. But did you notice what happened when I went from a tripod to monopod? My leg assembly kept standing on its own. No one had to worry about falling, tripping, or causing an accident over it. Self-standing. Back again to a tripod. Available Me Photo and other similar models, a lot more expensive. The Sunpak TravelMaster Pro, under $200.